Brand new for your viewing pleasure, the Oura Ring 5. Alright guys, how y'all doing today? Well, today I got something new. I got the Oura Ring 5. We'll unbox it. We'll check it out, compare it to the Oura Ring 4. I've been currently wearing the Oura Ring 4 for, I guess, since right after it come out. Oura has been good by me, I guess you would say. I bought this with my own money with my HSA account. So if you need to know how to do that, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you how. But I bought the Oura Ring when it first came out, the Oura Ring 4 when it first came out. I think I had an Oura Ring 2 as well. Wasn't very happy with it. I didn't feel like it didn't do very good in my opinion. Got the 4, been extremely happy with it. The only issue I had with it, the battery didn't last very long, then it quit connecting. So I contacted Oura. Within 3 days, they sent me a brand new one, and I've been wearing this one for probably a good 8 months now. No problems at all. Got a good fit, very comfortable, never had an issue. The tracking, all the tracking does real good. It's probably not as good as maybe the Apple Watch Ultra or something like that, but it's fairly good. The sleep's pretty accurate. The steps are pretty accurate. Heartbeat, it's probably more or less overkill if you have a smart ring and a smart watch. It's probably a little bit of overkill. But with that being said, I like them, so I like trying them out. So got the Oura Ring 4, and obviously this is the charger. So we're going to compare what the 5 looks like compared to the 4. So let's unbox it and check it out. So this is the box it comes in. Again, paid for this with my own money, so this video is not sponsored in any way by anybody. Me, myself, and I. So before we get to unboxing, I need to slip this in there. This is the sizing kit that they send you when you order an Oura Ring. Just in case if you wondered what happens, they send you the sizing kit first. This is what it looks like. So you got your different ring sizes. I wear a size 11, so I wore a size 11 with the 4. And they always want to double check because they don't want to send you the wrong ring. I wear a size 11 again with the Oura Ring 5. So that's what the sizing kit looks like, and those are all your different sizes. There's no half sizes, by the way. It's just straight sizes. So they send you that. You get on the link and you tell them what size you want after you paid for it, and then they will mail it out to you. I got this one in about 3 days or so. So we'll stick this to the side. Back to unboxing. All right, so this is what the case looks like. It's kind of Apple-esque. You got your pull tabs, so let's pull those off. So there's your box, clean and white with just the Oura branding on it. So that's what it looks like. It is a little bit smaller, a little shinier. That's more of a brass. That's your charging puck or whatever you want to call that. There's you get a cable, and you got all your books and stuff, but I kind of always just follow my instructions. Didn't go so good. Anyway, so the Oura Ring itself usually has a line. The old one before had a line on the back that you could line it up. Yep, there you go. See? You see the difference in the size? And we'll do a little cutaway and do some size comparison B-roll. We'll insert that right here. This is a lot more shiny. So the line always goes to the dot. So when you charge it up, only fits on one way. So the charger itself, I don't think the new one will fit on the old one. Nope. So they got the proprietary charger set up where you have to get the new charger. So that way you kind of get baked into their ecosystem. So let's put all this together, because this does work with any USB-C cable. So we'll stick all this over to the side for a second while we're checking this out. So like I said, it's a lot more compared to the 4. The 4 was more like a brushed. This is more like a shiny. But see what the size of the size of the 11 fits on my hand very well. So we'll check out the new 11. Again, the line, the charging, where you line it up to charge it, it also goes to the inside. So in case you're wondering, that goes to the inside. No problem. Tight little snug fit, no problem at all. Pretty good. So the next thing we'll do is we'll hook it up to a charger, and then we will activate it and see how that goes. All right. So you go to My Devices, Setup Now, Begin Setup, Connect, and what it will do, it will find your ring. It'll ask to pair. And it says try on your ring. So they recommend obviously your index finger, but I mean, I'm just being real. I'm a grown man. Don't wear jewelry. Don't wear necklaces. Most I wear is a watch and a ring, a wedding ring. That's it. Tells you to put it on your finger so it can get the signal. So it says syncing to you. So it's checking everything out. Trouble finding a signal. Let's make sure your ring sensors are on the palm side of your finger and try again. Success. You and your ring are now in sync. Wave hello, test your motion sensor. So as you can see the screen kind of moving. Start your journey. So now everything is synced up and it's good to go. So what we probably need to do now is remove. Let's see if we can figure out how to remove my Oura Ring 4. It looks like it's already. Let's remove the ring. Reset and remove. So while it's performing the factory reset, we'll stop that recording there. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. No big deal. Set up, ready to go. So with the Oura app, you can, it tracks all your motion, tracks your sleep, tracks your heartbeat. You can put your food in it. It's got plenty of things. I think the price right now is $5.95 a month, maybe. But if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I can tell you a little bit of secret on how to get this a little cheaper. So no affiliate links or nothing like that. This is just information to help people out, especially the older folks like us seniors or soon to be seniors. Not a senior yet, not quite double nickel yet. But anyway, you can get the Oura Ring through your HSA or FSA account at the FSA or HSA store. So log in if you've never been to that. Again, I'm not affiliated, just giving you some information. So you log into the HSA store and you can order it straight from there, go through the whole process. They walk you through it. It's pretty easy, pretty seamless. That's where I've got my last two. And you can also pay for like a year's worth of your Oura Ring monitoring. Again, I think it's $5.95 a month. It's a little cheaper if you buy it for the year, but I don't want to say that number because I don't have it in front of me. But check on it because you can pay for it with your HSA as well. So that way you can save a little bit of money that way. Again, you're paying for this money. You're paying for this from your tax-free savings in your HSA. If you do it like me through my work, everybody's different and everybody's plan's different. So please, please, please check into your stuff and make sure you get everything just right. Again, this is just information. This may be overkill if you have a smartwatch or an Apple Watch or a Amazfit or a Samsung watch or a Pixel watch or all the different lists of watches that does all the monitoring. Maybe it's a little bit of overkill if you have both, but that's just me. I'm just like the tech dude. We'll see tech, obviously. So I like to kind of play with all this stuff. So it's kind of neat and kind of seeing what all the options are out there. Again, I've been very happy with the Oura Ring 4. I really like the brushed aluminum. This is a little bit more shiny and a little bit more kind of shiny for my taste per se, but it ain't so bad. I'm sure I'll get used to it. And thinner, I think I like that, a little bit thinner, kind of a little bit more comfort. So anyway, so that was the Oura Ring 5. I hope you enjoyed that, kind of seeing, unboxing and seeing how the setup was and how everything works. Highly recommend them, especially if you don't have an Apple Watch or any other kind of smartwatch like a Amazfit or something like that. It's kind of good to have, give you a little bit of baseline and see what's going on. I think a lot of people have really used these to their benefit. I think that's why you see them now in the FSA and HSA accounts that you can get them. I think this can be very valuable in checking on your health. So that was it for the Oura Ring 5. I hope you come back next time. I'm going to put this up pretty quick so that way that people, since it just now came out, that people can see it. Keep checking out the videos, and if you would, do me a great, big, huge favor if you would give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, and then ring that bell so you can get notified the next time that I put videos out. So until next time, I guess we'll see.